This town isn't big enough for two supervillains.
Oh, you're a villain, all right. Just not a super one.
You must be the
Dragon Warrior. So I've heard.
Finally! Someone who knows how to have a little fun.
Your chi is strong. Just like your friend, the bug.
Mantis!
Yes, you have a new favorite. So where is this Poe? Did I scare him off?
Who denied me my guest?